So I am in my father's backyard grabbing some fresh produce. Where's the mint? Oh.
You want to smell it, Hussy?
Yeah, I think I need a piece of that.
You want to make it about this.
Smells so good. All right, we are getting fresh aloe for our video on the benefits of aloe. That is such a beautiful tree.
How much this one?
Just one. Alrighty.
You one hollow. That's just small.
That's good. So I got aloe, mint. Ooh, ouch. And the mangoes. So we're gonna start off by rinsing the aloe off. And I'm going to show you the proper way to slice and open the aloe. You just need to cut down the sides so the little prickly area doesn't cut you while you're trying to get inside of the aloe. So by cutting both sides, it makes it a little easier to get inside of the aloe. Wow, look at that. And aloe is very sticky and gooey, as you can see. Next, I usually take off the first layer of skin, and I turned the knife backwards because it was simply too sharp to cut the aloe. And once again, the gooiness of the aloe. Now I'm just going to slightly spoon the aloe off of the branch. And making aloe vera gel is really simple. It's basically just blending the aloe itself. So what I did do was rinse all of that off. I didn't get that on camera, but I did rinse it off. And this is after I rinsed it. It's still a little sticky. I then decided to just rub a little on my forehead for those smile lines that I have going on there. And I actually finished the video with the aloe on my face. Okay, back to our aloe vera gel. So as you can see, I'm putting it in my Ninja bullet, and I'm just going to blend it. It's really soft, so it's going to blend fairly easy. Yep, and that's it. And depending on how you want to use the aloe, you can add different things to it. This I'm just doing just to show you how easy it is to make your own aloe vera gel. And if you don't have the luxury of grabbing it from your parents' backyard, you can always find it at most Whole Foods supermarkets or fresh markets or anything of that sort. And there you go. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next week where I show you how I make a gut cleansing aloe vera drink.